At the end of this video, you will stop transposing. I'm going to be showing you how to play key C, all the notes that make up the scale of key C, and how to get the note that make up C sharp down to B. Let's go there. These are the notes that make up the C scale, C major scale, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Now, let us analyze this. Recall I said if you are moving from one note to another, irrespective of the color, is a semitone movement. And if you are jumping a note, whether you're jumping black to get a white, or from black to black, you're jumping here to, is a full tone movement. So let's represent a full tone movement with full tone, with T, and let half tone be half tone or semitone be with HT. Is that clear? Now let's go now. Now the first note of this C scale is C. To get the next note, we have a full tone movement because we are going to be jumping one note to land at D. So let's say between these two, we have it's a full tone movement. So we present it with what? T. Now, between D, from D to E, we are jumping a black note. There's another full tone movement. Let's say put a T here. T here. Now, from E to F, it's not a full tone, it's a half tone. So let's represent it with what? HT. HT. From F to G, we are jumping one, and is what? It's a full tone. From G to A, we are jumping one. That's we're having a full tone movement presented by T. From A to B, we are jumping one, is a full tone movement. From B to C, we are not jumping, is a what? Half tone movement. So now let's do for key C sharp now. So for key C sharp now, just like in other case, our first note is going to be what? C sharp. So we say it's a full tone movement. So if we say full tone movement, we are going to jump here and land here. That means from here now, we're going to jump this D to land at what? E flat. So E flat. That is we don't need to write this, but for this one, let's just write it. From this one, which is the second note, to the next note is a full tone movement. So that means from here, we jump this E to land at what? F. So the next note is what? F is a full tone movement. So now from F, from here again, which is the third note. Okay, let's make it easier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. So in this case now we have this here 1, 2, 3. So from the third note to the fourth note is a half tone movement. From the third note to this is a half tone movement. So we're not jumping just from here to here, straight up, which is was a note half tone HT. Is F sharp. Is a fourth note. Now from the fourth note to the fifth note is a full tone movement. So from here, which is the fourth note of C sharp, we're jumping this to land here, A flat, which is a full tone. Now, this is the fifth note. Now, from the fifth note to the sixth note is a full tone movement. This is the fifth note. So from the fifth note to the sixth note, we are jumping this because it's a full tone. We are jumping this to land here, which is a B flat. Full tone B flat, which is the sixth note. Now, from the sixth note to the seventh note is a full tone movement. It's a full tone movement. So from the sixth note to the seventh note is a full tone movement. This is this. So we're going to jump this to land here at C. Then from this is the seventh note. So from the seventh note to the eighth note is a half tone movement. So we're not jumping anything, it's a half tone movement. So from this to this we have a C sharp. So let's play so that you hear. Is that clear? So now, as your own assignment, I want you to find the notes that make up this D major scale, D major scale, and A flat major scale, and then post it in the comment section. Let me see how you're following. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has been helpful. Don't forget to comment, like, and share.